I need a maintenance day. I need a maintenance day bad. Look at this. Like my hair, my nails, no lashes. Oh, I'm so crusty. Oh, thank you. I'm so crusty right now. Like, truly. Truly. Anyway, I just realized that I'm much closer I just realized I'm much closer to work than I am when I'm at home. So I'm like, I left the room and I'm like, I'm not gonna go back. I'm just gonna wait here. Those nails, dude, this nigga must be bad luck because I don't generally break nails, but every time I'm around you, my nails get broken. I mean, it's because I'm having too much fun. Thank you. My red lips actually see cute. It's not actually red. Well, it's red liner and blush in the middle. I don't know when I started doing it, but it's a vibe. Hip hop, what dog? Hi. This white man is always giving me a dirty look, and I'm like, do I know you? Do I owe you? Like, what are y'all doing to break your nails, Shami? I don't know. The one popped off the other day at a braai, and then this one was loose, so I just yanked it off because it was annoying me. So now I look like this. You know what I mean? Like, I'm literally in the trenches. Red lipstick, mascara, heartbreak. Huh? Heartbreak? Ain't nobody broken hearted. Please follow me back, I'll behave. Lol. But yeah, at 9:30 I'm gonna leave. At 9:30. You know. I actually missed you guys. So it's worked out perfectly. I had the most perfect Monday. Like, I love my job, don't get me wrong. But if I didn't have fun, this Monday would be complete. Like, just loving it. Do you know what I mean? Resting, bowling. I'm like, I actually love your life. You know what I mean? I'm going to Swan for sure. I am. I actually love your life. I always say that to him. Like, I love your life. What's the name of your lip liner? I have no idea. Truly, I don't. Because I'm like, you actually have the best bitch on the fucking planet. Like, imagine. Beautiful, caring, funny, intelligent, loves to ball. Do you know what I mean? Generous. Then after balling, you still get a back rub. Like proper, like I give proper massages. You'd think I worked at a parlor because I even got asked, dude, how do you know how to do this? Did you study it? I said, no. It's just for the love of the game. Do you know what I mean? So, oh, is it there? It's just for the love of the game. You know what I mean? So, I'll tell him. Yeah, it's just for the love of the game. Do you know what I mean? So imagine, like, you're tired. It's been a big weekend. You're tired. It's been a big weekend, and then on the Monday, Alex. And then on the Monday, all you do is eat good food, chill, ball, then get a fucking professional massage, and then nap. You know what I mean? In cozy ass blankets. I'm just like, I love your life. I really wish if I was a nigga, I'd want to be you. You know? Like, sorry. But yeah. Like I said, I honestly think I'm the best bitch on the planet. I won't lie. I mean, I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect, but I honestly, I'm like, I'm great. I'm fucking great, dog. Imagine. My girl loves to bowl. I don't know what's gotten into. Like, you know, I've always loved to bowl. I won't lie, but like, I don't know what's gotten. Yeah, I really want to bowl all the time. It's getting concerning. I'm like, maybe it's an age thing. Like, maybe it's me getting older. Do you know what I mean? Because obviously, as women, our desire to bowl increases with age. So maybe it's me getting older, but I don't know. But it's also like, I find you really attractive. You know what I mean? Like, it's a combination of things. Say after 25 it gets worse. It must be my age. Sleep, relax, and keep listening. That sounds like a great day. Dude, I love your life. Whenever I look hot, I just send a picture and I say, I love your life. Because the fact that you got this, shout out to you. Chin. Hi, Lalo, crazy ass bitch, my crazy twin. We twins because we both insane. So I was saying, yeah, getting better at it because of. No, I know myself. You know, you want to bowl all the time. I did. During a nap, I said, wake up, then bowl, then after this, can I sleep in peace now, ma'am? Go ahead, go for it. I'm grand. You know? Go for it. So, you know? You my treacherous little twin. And you know that we locked in. Okay, I said half past. We still have 15 more minutes. Wow. I wish I could just sleep. Yo, like I said, it's been such a nice day. It would have just been perfect to edit off slumbering early. You know? I'm gonna close sight. I really hope this agent gets back to me about an apartment I want to go view. I quite like the apartment, and I'm looking forward to staying in an area that's different from the area that I have always lived in. People would crash out if y'all were to public launch. Yeah, no, there was a friend who was busy snapping and was like, no, man, let me post it. This is the perfect way. And we're like, no, we'll launch when we want to launch. Please. Not for real, because why are you so relatable? I loved seeing you the other night. We need to link up. Who's your go-to music artist? Tune into Savage Nights, you'll find out. Why am I moving from my house to an apartment? Because my mom moved back. I want to live by myself. Yeah. I want to live by myself. So, you know, no shade, no tea. People are crashing out as we speak. Yo, what now? Why? What's the problem? Oh dear me, good night, people. Oh, good night. You're so lucky that you're going to sleep. Some of us are going to sleep. Spawn is fun, and I love working with Tabo, and it just makes it so much easier. And today, you know, and it's fun, but I'm tired. Not as tired as I expected to be, though. The way I was lit yesterday, I honestly thought I would have woken up down bad. Thank you for making me discover Aurora. I love him. You literally repost all this shit. Who's funny? I love Roro. I also repost all of his videos. Does he know? Yeah, nah. I wish everything that I did for maintenance was at one place. Like, I just want to walk into a salon and come out with my nails, lashes, and hair done. We love Roro over here. I love him bad. Let's not get into it. Okay, but what's happening? Like, now you're making me curious. Thank you. Thank you for all the compliments. Ew, I look tired. I'm sure people at work are like, what happens to you on the weekend? Because Mondays, I always come looking down bad. Please listen to the clock and poem. I actually saw it, but I was trying to keep the volume down, so I didn't get to listen to it properly. I'm gonna watch it in the car. I saw there's a clock it poem. You know? And it's my eyes that are the giveaway. I just look tired. I look crusty. This hand, look at these nails. I don't know what I was doing last night, but I made them even shorter. Like I said, I was sauced yesterday. Sure. I was sauced, like, and I don't even know how that happened. But like, I was that kind of sauced where like you can feel you're sauced and you're like, I want to go home. Not sauced where like you're not aware that you're sauced, and then the next day someone is telling you about, oh yeah, you were drunk, you did this. Like drunk where you're like, okay, no, I know I need to sleep. You know what I'm saying? But aware. You understand? Like, the people I was with, they haven't even responded to text messages. I know they're also down bad because I was saying thank you for the invite. First of all, I definitely am going to be at more rock events. I know they aren't a lot, but yesterday being at a rock show, it was lit. It was a vibe. It was definitely a vibe. So shout out to Shadow Club. You know? But yeah, I was lit. I was lit yesterday. I was wet behind, not even behind the ears, just, I can't get used to it. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh my gorgeous mom. Mom, please, please, please. Nigga, I got 2 kids. I'm a home mommy. Yo. Yeah, nah. Radio. Let's go make good radio. What are the rules around bowling when you've bowled before in the past? So does that mean she means Mamacita. Oh, okay. Does that mean, so basically, let's say you've bowled before, you know what I mean? But then when you reconnect, are you still supposed to observe like a time frame, like the same way you would with someone you've never bowled with, where you're like, no, it's too soon? Do you know what I mean? We're still getting to know each other. Does that apply when you've already bowled? So it's like, what's the point? I already know you. Do you know what I mean? So why wait? Are you going to go live at work? I'll see what the vibe is saying. Why you leave that every time? No, because honestly, I don't want it to be, you know what I mean? I just have to go. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go. Yeah, so does it make you easy if you bowl quickly, but you bowling quickly because you've already bowled in the past? Do you know what I'm saying? Or what? Bowl same time. Okay, not same. Not same time, but maybe second time. You know? Continue from where we left. Okay. Can even bowl the same night? I will, not the same night. You know? Never that. But I mean, it's fine. I mean, yeah, okay. I initiated the bowl, so I can't even be. I mean, I don't mean like this. I mean, in the beninging. I mean, this is for the beninging. What am I saying? Anyway, you get what I mean, guys. Okay. Just checking. 7 more minutes, guys. 1:30. I have to leave. I gotta go my own way. What about us? What about everything we've been through? But what about trust? You know I never wanted to hurt you. What about me? What am I supposed to do? Yeah. I mean, was it, but yeah. I don't know, maybe it's time, years, age. I don't know what's happening, You know what I'm saying? So, nigga, I got 2 kids. I'm a home mommy. Who said that again? Tommy from Love and Hip Hop. I was like, how? I didn't know she had 2 kids, but she said it in that one song, and I just liked that line. I don't even know the whole song. I gotta leave, but I'll miss you. Yo, cut it. Okay, no, I'm not tired. I'm just sloughing. Like, I'm just sloughing, yeah. Let me say that. I'm not actually tired. I mean, how can I be tired? I woke up at like 1:45, I couldn't believe it. I don't even know what time I slept. I didn't even know how I got home. Okay, no, I remember that bit, but then after that, as I'm saying, I woke up with a face full of makeup. I'm like, why would I sleep with my makeup when I have wipes? Nah. I was cooked. Last night I was cooked. Time flies when I need to get off the live, but then whenever I'm working, time is slow. Why? And don't say time flies when you're having fun, because I have fun at work. But yeah, I just want to cuddle. Yeah. Something, you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm gonna leave soon. My tears and blurs my vision. Wow. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Go home, Baba. Go home. Like, and honestly, I just love saying that because I have a friend. He's so fucking funny. He's like the funniest person I know. I haven't seen him in forever though. And he was talking about his one friend who went back to his ex after some years apart and them both being in other relationships and stuff. And then me and a friend were asking him like, oh, how did they get back together? And he said, he just realized he needs to go home, Baba. So now that's my favorite saying when it comes to, actually no guys, don't get back with your exes. Don't do it. It's a bad idea, honestly. I wouldn't mind if a friend dated any of my exes, but I would just be concerned because I'd be like, why the fuck do you want that nigga? Do you know what I mean? He ain't shit, and that applies to all my exes. I'm not talking about anyone specific, but I'd just be concerned, like, I wouldn't care about the fact that you want to date him, whatever, but why do you want to date him? Like, do you know what I mean? So, good night, enjoy your night. Thank you. Why? My ex is the love of my life, for real. No, guys, your ex is not the love of your life. This is not the land. This is Glendale. Your ex is not the love of your life. Please. No. That's what I'm saying. I don't give a shit about what any of my exes do, but I would be concerned. I would be concerned for my friend if a friend came to me and said, yeah, Mang Mang and I have been talking, and sometimes it's not like, maybe like, let's say you weren't friends during the relationship. Do you know what I mean? So like, let's say you're my friend now, and that someone is my ex, and we weren't friends while I was dating that person. Do you know what I mean? And then you're like, oh yeah, we spoke. Da, da, da. I'm just like, I would be like, why the fuck? Why would you go home when we're already in a better place? No, I'm not talking about me. But like that's understandable. Not someone who dates your ex when they were friends with you while you were dating your ex. Do you know what I mean? That's weird because it's like you watched me, you've probably been around me and this person, you've seen us hold hands, you've seen us kiss, you've heard me cry about them, you've heard me be happy about them. That's weird. But if you and I weren't friends like there was a time where a friend of mine, we were at the club and the guy who I lost my virginity to was macking, or him and my friend were talking. And he was really kind about it. He came to me and he's like, dude, do you mind? Because she wasn't my friend when I was with him. Do you know what I mean? So he came to me and he's like, yo, do you mind if I holler at your friend? And I'm like, go for it, dog. Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't give a fuck about you. Honestly, I almost didn't recognize you. Like, who is you? You know? So, yeah, I really don't mind. And they did speak for a little bit. You know what I mean? Like, I don't give a fuck about any nigga that I've been with. Like, yo, okay, I need to go to work, guys. Honestly, I'm close, but I still don't want to play with time, especially because I want to stop at a garage and get like why would I stop at a garage and get a cold drink when I'm literally, what the fuck? I'm sitting in a restaurant. Am I dumb? Maybe. Anyway, I'll see if I go live once I get to work, but I'll see what the vibes are. Tabo and I do need to catch up. And yeah, so I'll see what the vibes are. But tune into Savage Nights. We have Monday Music Mayhem today where Tabo and I go head to head with a song. And then also we have the Playroom where we talk about sex. So yeah, tune in. And